It's heartbreaking whenever somebody will tell you, I've never had a cavity, I've never had to have, any sort of dental work done. So Folkal is a great relief to me because I can tell them I have an option, let's remineralize that area.
It just makes sense to try to give those lesions a chance to remineralize using Folkal. Our hygienists are placing the Folkal discs. It's a very easy thing for them to do. We find that it's just a routine part of our regular dental hygiene appointments.
I can offer to place Folkal right then and there in the chair. It's not time out of the doctor's schedule, it's not time out of their schedule, so it's really convenient for our patients. The disc simply slides in between the teeth and no discomfort to the patient whatsoever. They hardly even notice it's there. I just have to mention to them, don't eat or drink for the next 30 minutes, don't floss that area, and go on with your day. So with the Folkal, just take your cotton pliers, place it interproximally, let the sulcus just naturally moisten it, and you'll be able to just let it go naturally all the way in between. It fits in open spaces, it fits in tight spaces. At the end of a re-care appointment, I can look at those areas on the x-ray, point them out to the patient, point them out to doctor, and we can treat them before the patient leaves at the end of their 60-minute hygiene appointment. I can place several quadrants in one visit. It's also just a great way to keep patient trust in you and knowing that we're trying to do everything we can to remineralize this area before we go into any sort of restorative route, especially on an incipiency like this that can be resolved with Folkal. I place the disc, have them back in 6 to 8 weeks to reevaluate, and a lot of the times we're wowed with what we see.
It's been a very valuable product to arrest the incipient lesions that we've seen in both young and older people.
It's a great benefit to our practice to be able to offer Folkal to our patients.
Folkal is a lifetime benefit in a patient's dental health.